Okay, Nora is really excited to have her second shop in the mall. So she has decided to save up for her second shop and make her dream come true. She is still investing $3,000 into a 36-month CD. What interest rate does she need to look for if she wants $3,800 in her account by the end of the 3 years? Okay, so for this problem, we are still going to be using our PERT formula, only this time it asks for the interest rate. So that means that in this case, we're going to be finding our R value. So we want to get $3,800, and we have right now 3,000, and we want to know by how much the rate has to be by the end of 3 years. So our time is 3. Now all we're going to do is plug in the numbers into our equation. So it's going to be 3,800 equals 3,000 E times R, we don't know what R is yet, times 3. Okay, so we're going to divide by 3,000 on both sides. And then we can cancel out 2 zeros. And then when we do 38 divided by 30, we get a really long decimal point, so we're just going to leave it as a fraction. However, we can reduce 38 over 30 into a smaller fraction, which will be 19 over 15, and then that equals E to the R times 3. Okay, so now what we have to do is take the natural log of E, and by doing this, it cancels, and then whatever we do to one side, we do to the other, so we're going to take the natural log of 19 over 15. So now we are left with the natural log of 19 over 15 equals 3R. So we're going to divide by 3 and 3, and then we're going to be using our calculator to find out the value. So that is the natural log of 19 over 15, and then divide that by 5, and then we will be multiplying this number by 100 since we need it to be a percent, and our percent is 7.88%. So the rate has to be 7.88% in order for Nora to have $3,800 by the end of the 3 years. Okay, so that's that.